Big Jeff here. We're doing the Black Diamond giveaway. So, got our stuff in. Where are the lanyards? Anybody got a lanyard? We're about to announce the giveaway. A little bit late. We were trying to have it for Black Friday, but we got lanyards. Use my teeth, I'm not supposed to. That didn't work. Hashtag BDA for Black Diamond Audio. Hashtag Black Diamond Audio. We have a winner. We did a giveaway. Yeah, it's that time. We gave away a box, 2-power Rhino box. We gave away an amplifier and 2 12s. Also came in time. Black Diamond Audio hat, trucker's hat, real nice hat. Black Diamond Audio lanyard. Black Diamond Audio shirt. These came out really nice. We use a local company. They've been doing this really good for years. Got Big Jeff on the side. Proud to have our own brand. And then we have our Black Diamond hoodie. Let me show you this. This came out great. Nice thick hoodie. Got the logo, got the website. It's got Big Jeff down the sidearm. Came out really nice. I want to be thankful. So the winner is who we contacted already. Randy Kessel. Ended up didn't even know it till we contacted him. He's actually in our area, which is cool. But I think somebody said here like 100 and something between posts and hashtags and shares, man. So big ups to him. He just won 2 12s amp box. He got a sweatshirt, hat, t-shirt, lanyard. Big things. We're back on track with our new building. Hopefully be moving in January. I'll do a new live update in a couple weeks there. And make sure you hit up our YouTubes. Black Diamond Audio. We got Big Jeff Audio. Make sure you hit up social medias. We're going to do more giveaways. So the only way to be a part of that is you got to be on the social medias. Right now, all orders come with free gear on blackdiamondaudio.us, not .com, .us. Yeah, the hoodie did come out good, JoJo. Let me show you again. It actually came out really nice. It's just clean looking. Of course, I had to put a plug in there for Big Jeff, but we didn't do it too big. It came out really nice. So anyway, you guys check everything out. We're also starting up a dealer locator. So you can check in your area for Black Diamond dealers. We're putting them on day after day. Takes some time, but there's a link on the website. Show some love. Go to the YouTube, subscribe. Make sure if you haven't liked or followed our page. Also Instagram, it's black_diamond_audio. Hit us up on there. Appreciate all the loves I'm getting right now and all the thumbs up. So big shout out to Randy Kessel for winning complete system. All right, I'm gonna be back. We'll do some at the end of the week. Black Friday's a hit. Oh, reminder, Def Bounce is still on sale till the 6th. And we just got word, go check out the website. That big order of subwoofers is coming in. We should have it here no later than Monday. So 12s, 15s, if you've been waiting for them, they're available on our website now. You better buy them. They will move fast. I was only able to get like 40 or 50 of each. Sounds like a lot, but it's not. They'll go real fast. And then we are doing a closeout with Alpha Sonic. Just brand's good brand, but it's not working for us. So everything there is basically a cost. So if you want to pick some stuff up and you're on a budget, go to Big Jeff Audio and go to brand Alpha Sonic. I also got some Jensen 6.5 for all you just need some 6.5s. How much we selling the 6.5 for? $29.95 shipped. I mean, jeez. For a set of Jensen 6.5s if you need some cheapies. Do you have to apply to Black Diamond dealer even though yes. Big Jeff Audio and Black Diamond are two separate entities in a sense when it comes to dealers. We will have up the page for the dealer application when? By tomorrow? Yep, we'll have it up by tomorrow. Daniel just shook his head, which means it'll be done by tomorrow. There'll be a link on the Black Diamond Audio website. You'll just have to go there, fill out the app like normal. We're going to try to give territories. That's why we're doing the dealer locator. We want to keep the line, not flea market out. So we want to make sure people have it in their area and not fighting against other people. We want to keep the demand high. we got plenty of inventory in. There's only 3 SKUs we're out of, so I mean, and there's thousands of each of the other SKUs, so we'll be set for a few months, and there's more on the way. All right, that's it. Thank you again. Randy Kessel won the giveaway. We're going to try to do a bigger giveaway next time, and maybe we can get some more shares. We didn't get as many as I wanted, but we did hit our 100 on YouTube, which is cool. So another few days we can make a custom URL, and we did get a lot of exposure, so I appreciate it. I will chat with you guys later. Thank you.